Today is the 13th, and honestly, today I don't know what to talk about. I sat here for a while, just staring at the camera, and I was just thinking, waiting. In fact, nothing came. And I realized that this is actually the content, you know, this moment right here, the not knowing and the showing up anyway. 13 days into the journey, and here is what I know. The days you have nothing to say are actually the most important days, you know. Because showing up is when you have nothing. When there is no motivation, there is no story, there is no reason. In fact, that is the discipline. Anyone can show up when something exciting happens. Anyone can just show up. But then, showing up on a blank day, this is the real test, you know. And today, I think I passed it. Even though I had nothing to say, I still train. As a normal thing I do every day. I train and drank my Detox. Yeah. So, with the training, I must say that I train every 30 minutes every day. Every day. I train 30 minutes in the morning and I train in the evening too. And I drink my Detox in the morning and in the evening as well. Because these 90 days, I have to lose weight. That's the plan. It's the 13th and we did it. We did it, congratulations to us. So, next thing is to drink my Detox again. Yes, we go again. It's not a long time. We try. Day 13 done. I trained as usual and I also drank my Detox because I need to lose that weight. And also nothing happened today, but you know everything happened today because I showed up. So if you're here and you feel like you have nothing to offer, show up anyway. Empty hands, quiet day, no story, just show up. What rebuilding looks like on the in-between days. Yeah, so I'm Bibi and I'm rebuilding my life one blank moment at a time. See you tomorrow.